Westchester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:30 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Westchester, Phoenixville, Coatesville, Westtown, Allentown, Kennett Square, Collegeville, Royersford, Parkersburg, Trapp, West Grove, and Schwenksville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 305 and 321. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.